Food is life. We provide the freshness of nature. Nature takes health to the next level. Biocorp. Biocorp is a biotech company holding specialized technologies related to extraction, saccharification, fermentation, and refinement. Based on a safe and sanitary production process, outstanding R&D power, and cutting-edge production facilities, Biocorp provides an ethical, safe, and excellent product. Biocorp is the largest krill oil producer in Korea, generating over 300 tons per year. Biocorp is proud to be the first company in the world to produce krill oil containing over 60% phospholipid. To produce the freshest and highest quality end product, we maintain a cold chain system and full traceability, from catching to drying to extraction and packaging. Our principle is to complete production of krill oil within 14 days of the krill release date from the freezer. We provide our customers full traceability information regarding the entire process, from catching to the completion of manufacturing. Our commitment to and respect for our customers is demonstrated in our manufacturing process that uses only water and edible alcohol without any other solvents. Biocorp's SPM omega-3 oil contains the highest level of SPM content in the industry. Our product line includes high-quality plant seed oils, free from hazardous elements, such as free fatty acid, wax, and fine powder. Defatted plant seed powder production uses only edible alcohol and no harmful solvents. Biocorp's high-purity fucoidan, called fucoshin, offers the highest level of active ingredient through a process that uses seaweed found in unpolluted ocean waters near Korea. Biocorp is now producing and selling mucopolysaccharide protein as a functional food, not as general food, which meets the Korean FDA 77% purity standard. Our natural antimicrobial agent is produced solely through fermentation of Lactobacillus reuteri. We also produce a variety of other products, including fishbone calcium, extracted from the bone of a particular fish species, using an eco-friendly enzyme treatment method. Biocorp's philosophy is to not spare any expense to ensure a high-quality result. One measure of this is our acquisition of a GMP certificate for our alcohol extraction factory. We are firmly committed to our application of a complete traceability system to Biocorp's entire production process, from sourcing to extraction, concentration, refinement, and packing. Biocorp's goal and philosophy is to connect the client to nature's gifts using methods that maintain purity and quality, ensuring that the end customer benefits from a safe product of the highest quality. Nature takes health to the next level. Biocorp.